What's up, guys? I'm here in another video. We're doing an 11 and pack opening here. So yeah, we'll play some head-to-head, and yeah, Jimmy Butler sold. No small forwards I could get, so we're hoping we can pull something. First pack, a Doug McDermott. Let's try one by one. Try one by one. Devin Booker now. Here's the thing. Yeah, he has a good 3-pointer. So he'll start. Great luck. Some good coins from this. Oh, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, James Harden! Oh my gosh! Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh! That felt so good. I don't even care what I get. I don't even care what I get anymore. I needed that. Oh, that felt so good. I get so much coins after. I hope it goes for a lot. Oh my god. These packs, if you don't know, you can get an elite or gold player, but they're just smaller, and you only have a chance. So expect a lot of silvers and stuff for this one. Oh! Oh, we get movers! Oh my gosh, you got a mover, sweet. He'll go for more than a normal gold, but Tyus Jones and the last two. Oh, that felt good. Aaron Gordon, sweet. That will go for a lot. And the last one. Oh, I don't care. Oh, yes. Oh, how does he? He's just so. Oh, how do you have 70 defense? Okay. Let's see what this baby goes for. James. No, we have to go Harden. He'll go for like 3K. Big man. 85. I'll freak out. He goes for 100K. Oh, he goes for 92, 95. Oh, he's so good. 90,000, 89, 88. Oh, I have to do another one of these. 85, 86, 85. Oh, this boy's going up. I'm not working on my big man. Oh, you're going up, buddy. Oh, yes. 4,000. Someone will want this card. I already know it. Oh! Yes! And here you'll go for about 5. And then 10. Boom. You'll go for probably about 5,000. You guys all, I'll put you all at 5,000 here. Maybe I can get, oh, it's 45,000. Get there. Oh, this baby's gonna get some views. Oh, let's go. Boom, boom. Put that Vergel, and then let's just put all of them up. See if we get lucky. Woo-wee! That made me happy. Let's go. How many finals collectibles do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I could do 3 coin collectible things. If I got a 50K out of that, I'd freak. That'd be the best pack. I'll do it. It's the first one. Nothing. I'm expecting nothing out of this, so I'm not going to get mad. Holy cow, that James Harden. This thing. Oh, man. That felt good. I'm going to admit. That one, I needed that in my pack opening. I've been getting really lucky recently. These 7 silvers. No, I don't want Kevin Garnett. I'm going to put the bad ones. I don't want my good silvers in there, because they'll sell. Good. Tyler Zeller, I want like. And this thing. Maybe we get silver. Good. If I get something out of this, well, I gotta actually get silver. I'm expecting bronzes out of these. You get so many bronzes out of this thing. Boom, bronze. Oh, wow, we got 2 silvers. I'm good. I'm done. I'm out. That was great. I love it. It felt good. Adios, guys. Have a good day, and peace out.